Delicious broad bean soup. 500 grams of broad beans. 250 grams of cooked meat. Homemade tomato juice 200 grams. Put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into the pot. Add 500 grams of chopped broad beans and fry for 10 minutes. Stir the beans slightly to prevent them from burning. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mixing it without pressure to keep the beans shape. Add 5 grams of salt. Add 250 grams of half-cooked beef. Add 500 milliliters of previously cooked meat juice and 200 grams of tomato juice. Mix ingredients well. Add 200 milliliters of water. Squeeze half a lemon and pour over the ingredients. Put the lid on and cook for 25 minutes. It is ready.
Subscribe to our channel if you feel like you might want to come back later. Enjoy it.